before this, in the algebra of matrices, addition to matrices can be added if their orders are same, and how they can be added, their corresponding element will be added. Subtraction, their orders are same, corresponding element will be subtracted. In the case of multiplication by a scalar quantity, each and every elements of a matrix we have to multiply by that scalar quantity. This algebra of matrices is completed. Now transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. What is the meaning of the transpose of a matrix? Let A is equals to Aij be a square matrix. A equals to Aij be a square matrix. Square matrix means m by n, or it can be n by n. So what is the meaning of the transpose of a matrix? The transpose of a matrix is denoted by A dashed or A transpose. A is a matrix whose elements is given by Aij m by m. Then the transpose of the given matrix is denoted by A transpose, A dash or A transpose. This is the representation of the A transpose. And the value of the transpose is given by Aj m by m. Aj m by m. What is the meaning of this? It is very important point. Aij, I represents the row and j represents the column. So now in the case of transpose, this j is becoming the row and I is becoming the column. With an example, suppose that A equals to 2, 3, 4 minus 1. 2, 3, 4 minus 1. Then the A transpose is denoted by A transpose or AT. And how the result will be calculated? The result will be calculated. It is your Aij. See the position A11, A12, A21, A22. Now, how the transpose becomes? The transpose will be calculated by interchanging the position of the element. Aij becomes now Aji. Aij becomes Aji. The first row, it means the row becomes now column and the column becomes now row. See the meaning? The row becomes the column and the column becomes now row. Think a point here. A11, if you will change the position here, A11, if you will change the position here, then A11 will change to A11 only. So there is no any change in this position. This will be 2. Now, see the position A12. A12 will be changed to A21. Then where A21 will be there? Okay, let it be. This is the position A11, A12, A21, A22. We are just going to write the transpose. How to write the transpose? Change the position. Aij becomes Aji. So now this is the position A11. If you will change A11, then we will get A11 again. Then what A11 is there? 2. So write down 2 here. Now A12. A12 means A12 will change to A21. A21. Where is the position A21? This is your 3. Then this is your 3. Now A21. A21 becomes A12. A12 means this is your 4. Now A22. No any change will be there. Then A22 is equals to 2. Now what I told you how to write the transpose. This is the theoretical. This is the theory. How to write the transpose. What is the meaning? So just only change the position. But in general form, how to write the transpose there, then you need to just do one thing here. Change the row to the column and column to the row. So what we are getting here in the case of transpose, 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4. What was the 2, 4? The 2, 4 was the column, first column. So this first column we are changing to the first row. 2, 4, 2, 2, 4. Now what is the second column? 3 minus 1. What we have done here? this is, let me check here once again, 2, it is the 2 here, 3 is the 3, this is 4, this is actually minus 1. Okay, so now this is minus of 1. So see the first row becomes to the first column and the second row becomes the second column. This is the simple point here. How to change the transpose, how to find the transpose, you need to change the row to the column and column to the row. Take another example. Three by three order. Transpose of matrix 3 by 3 order. What will be the A transpose? A transpose will be, I told you, change the row. Change the row. This is the which row? First row. First row will change to, the transpose of a matrix is always calculated for a square matrix. Very careful here. So 3 by 3 is there. Then the first row will change to now the first column. This is the first row, then A, B, C. Second row. Now second row becomes second column. P, Q, R. The third row becomes third column. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 by 3 order. This is the required transpose of the matrix. Simply change the row to the column, and if one you will change, then definitely the another will also change. You can go through also. Suppose you are changing the first column, then A, P1. See here, this is the first column, then definitely the first column will change to the first row. B, Q2. B, Q2. This is the second column, and this becomes second row. This is the third column, then this becomes the third row. Simply change the row to the column, you will get the transpose of a matrix. Okay. This point is also completed. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. If A equals to Aij be a square matrix of order m by n. A equals to Aij be a square matrix of order m by n. Then A is said to be symmetric matrix. A is said to be symmetric matrix if A is equals to A transpose. Very important point. In the previous example, we have discussed how to find the transpose of a matrix. How to find the transpose of a matrix. Again, I am explaining here. A equals to 1, 2, AB. What will be the transpose of this matrix? Simply change the row to the column or column to the row. 1, 2, then 1, 2. This is the second row, then second column A. This is A and this is your A transpose. If you will compare to these two matrices, are these two matrices equal? Are these two matrices equal? Now remember the concept of the equality of the matrices. Two matrices can be equal only when their orders are same. Their orders are same. Their corresponding elements are same. See, this is the position 1, 1. Okay, it's same. But here it is 2 and here it is your A. So if one element is different, then we can say that these two elements are not equal. This is the transpose, but these two matrices are not same matrices. Okay? Now, what is the symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix says that after calculating the transpose, if the matrix, the new matrix and the old matrix, if becomes same, then only those matrices are said to be the symmetric matrix. Getting the definition? What is the symmetric matrix? A square matrix is said to be the symmetric if A is equals to A transpose. Let an example. Is it possible for a matrix where A and A transpose are same? Let us an example. A is equals to matrix is there 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. Find the transpose of the matrix. A transpose. The first row I am changing to the first column, then 1 2. The second row I am changing to the second column, 2 1. Now think here, after converting the transpose, A and A both are having the equal matrix. See 1 1 2 2 2 2 1 1. Can we say here कि A is equals to A transpose is there? So these type of matrices where A and A transpose are same are said to be the symmetric matrices. Clear to everyone? Okay. Next point is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrices. What is a skew symmetric matrices? Skew symmetric matrices, if A be a square matrix of order Aij m by m, then the skew symmetric, for to be a skew symmetric matrix, A is equals to, if negative of A transpose, if A be a square matrix and A is equals to negative of A transpose, then we can say that A is a skew symmetric matrix. Again I am repeating, if A be a matrix, if it is equals to A transpose only, then it is said to be the symmetric. And if it is equals to negative of A transpose, then it is said to be the skew symmetric matrix. Let us an example. Let us consider an example. A is equals to 2 minus 2. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Think the matrix A, find the A transpose here first. A transpose. What will be the A transpose? First row will change to the first column, 0, 2. Second row will change to the second column, minus 2, 0. A and A transpose. Now, I told you in the previous point how to multiply a matrix by a scalar quantity. Can this A transpose be multiplied with a minus 1? Minus 1 is a scalar quantity. Then can it be A dash be multiplied with the minus 1? If you will multiply A dash to the minus 1, so by the property, what was the point there? Each and every element will be multiplied by the minus 1. So this can be written minus of A transpose, and you are multiplying with the minus, and 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. Now compare to this matrix and this matrix. A and negative of A transpose. See the element 0, 2, 0, 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 0. Now can we say here A is equals to negative of A transpose. So this matrix is said to be the skew symmetric matrix. Clear? So now we have discussed in this video algebra of matrices, transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. In the next video we will continue the next point. Thank you.